Alright, hey folks, this is Monday, April something. Anyhow, I'm back out here at my bus doing some work. I'm getting ready to cut the holes in the pantry. And I've got it all mocked up where the hole is going to be. So what I do is when I get done with this one, I'll move these down to here. And then when I get done with that one, I'll move those down to there and so on. So I'm getting ready to cut it now and I'm going to let you watch. So this is basically my guide to run along here. And so that's going to, I got it set well below, well longer than half inch or quarter inch. So it'll go in and come out the other side, and then I'll just start cutting. I'm gonna go get another bit. This one's burnt. A little bit shorter bit. Thanks. A board moved on me, I think. Make a measurement here. Yeah, a little bit. There. Unfortunately, I can't get a clamp on the other side. So, I just got to go with that. Bingo! Alright, so I might end up just taking that down a little bit further, just so I have a straight line. And I know I said I was gonna do round, and I probably will. I just forgot to set up for it. What I should have done was I should have done lines, so that way I could follow the lines. But oh well. Let me see if I can get set up for the other one. Okay, what I'm doing, I'm setting this board at the bottom of the shelf here, and I clamp it on. Alright, that's good. Then what I'll do, I'll take a measurement. So it's 9 1/4, and I'll mark this one here at 9 1/4 also. Alright, so that one's set.